back to my channel. My name is Mia. If it's your first time clicking on one of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my wash day routine and also showing you a quick tutorial on how I did this hairstyle. So yes, make sure you stay tuned towards the end because I will be doing a special giveaway for you guys. So yes, let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey y'all, so let's go ahead and get into this wash routine. So my hair was pretty dirty. I think I had it in a puff. So yeah, I had a lot of gel build up and things like that. So I'm really ready to get this hair nice and clean, okay? Like, we need clean hair all the time. So I am starting off with this Gro Tingling Shampoo. And thank you, Gro, for sponsoring today's video. So let me tell you guys about this shampoo. First, it was super thick. Like, I really wasn't expecting a shampoo to be thick, but it was thick to where it felt like a creamy type shampoo. It just felt so good. Like, I was able to detangle a little bit with this. It says it promotes strong, soft, and healthy hair. It has vitamin and herb formula. It helps relieve dry scalp, and it also helps reduce breakage, allowing your hair to grow longer. So I really like this shampoo. It did leave my scalp feeling super clean, and it did have like a slight tingling feeling, which felt so good. I know you guys know how that feels, so I really liked how this shampoo worked on my hair. Alright, so now I am going in with their Mega Long Extreme Reconstructor, and this deep conditioner was the truth. Like, my hair loved it. It was super thick in texture, and I really like thick deep conditioners because my hair needs a lot of moisture, and me using this, it felt so good. Like, it went right into my strands. Like, it felt so good. Right here, I'm just showing you guys how my hair looked right after the shampoo. Like, the curls are popping, and it was just with the shampoo, okay? So once I add this conditioner, my hair felt so good. It was super moisturizing. It does have avocado oil and silk protein, as well as olive oil in it as well. So once I did rinse out the deep conditioner, I did take some of their safflower oil just to seal in that moisture. I just recently started doing this with my hair. I actually used to do this a while ago, but I just wanted to revisit doing this because I tend to, my hair tends to dry out pretty quick. So I find by going ahead and sealing in that moisture, which is water, of course, it helps my hair last a little bit longer as far as moisture. And here is how my hair looked right once I rinsed the deep conditioner out. So I did leave the deep conditioner in for about 7 minutes, and that's all it really took for my hair to really love it. So yes, here is how my hair is looking once I am done washing it. Alright guys, so I am going to show you this quick tutorial on how I did the style shown in the intro. So I am going to part off this section in the front for the Bantu knots, just so it could be, you know, cute, a little different style. I was like, let me try something different. I always just do a simple wash and go, so I wanted to try something different. So right here, I'm just going ahead and re-wetting my hair, adding in my leave-in. You can use whatever leave-in of your choice. So I'm adding that to both of the back sections to start off with. And now I'm also adding my leave-in to the front section, and I also will be adding a cream styler to my hair as well. So now I'm just detangling and continue on with my wash and go. Alright, so now I'm just going to part my hair into 6 different sections for the Bantu knots. I'm just going to do a 6 around the perimeter of my head and just going to just Bantu knot it. I'm not going to put any rubber bands or anything in there. I'm just going to straight up Bantu knot it. Alright, so now that I have all 6 in my head, I'm just going to go ahead and diffuse my hair off camera, and then I will be back to show you guys how it looks once it is dry. Alright, so now that my hair is fully dry and diffused, curls is popping. They're looking so good. You can tell you had a good wash day when your curls are popping. So now I am about to go in with the Gro Hair Polish Shine Mist, and this is just for some added shine, some added moisture. You guys know I struggle with my hair looking moisturized even when it is, so this really helped out a lot. It is infused with olive oil and it helps to mend split ends as well. So yes, I'm really loving how my hair turned out. It looks so good. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Alright guys, so I did mention that I will be doing a giveaway for you guys. So there will be one winner, and whoever wins gets to choose 4 of the Gro products of your choice. So let's go ahead and get into the rules. So it's very few rules, it's not that many. The first rule is to follow Gro on Instagram and on Facebook. All the information will be left down below. The second rule is to follow me, of course, here on YouTube. Make sure you are subscribed and follow my Instagram and my TikTok. They are both at Only Me and Nicole. And then the third one is to leave down below your wash routine. So pretty much that's all you have to do. So make sure you guys comment all that stuff down below. So when you do leave below your comment, make sure that you tag either your Instagram or leave an email so I can check to see if you guys did follow the rules, and so I can reach out to you guys personally to get all your shipping information to get those products sent to you. So yes, this giveaway is only for those living within the United States, and this giveaway will end on Friday the 18th. So I will be picking a winner then. So make sure you guys go ahead and leave those comments down below. Make sure you guys are doing all the rules because I will be checking. So yes, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.